Did you know there's a fruit in Kenya that looks like a cactus, survives drought, and sells at a premium price? Farmers are calling it the cash crop of the future. And today, I'll show you exactly why dragon fruit farming might be the smartest move you can make in 2025. So stay on, subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. So people keep asking, why dragon fruit? So we visited our dragon fruit farm. There you can see it. We have put out the post, and you can check my former video to see what we've done on the dragon fruit farm. And we have grown them. So why, someone would wonder, why dragon fruit? It's also called pitaya. And it's no ordinary fruit. So it is a rare fruit. It thrives in hot, dry region. You can see that place is very dry. And it thrives where most crops fail. So it's a positive. The kicker is that it keeps producing fruit for up to 20 years once planted. So once you plant it, it continues there. So you can see we're doing pruning, and you need to keep doing pruning so that you can make it vibrant. So this small farm can give you harvest for seasons after season with very little water. So it sounds so good to be true, but you need to stick with me so that you see what I'm talking about. So there you can see our farm. So I'm talking from experience. It's not that I'm saying things that no. So there it is. See how we've planted them. So in Kenya, dragon fruit sells between 800 to 1,200 per kilo in high-end supermarkets and the health food stores. So what you need to do is identify with other dragon fruit farmers and do harvesting together, so you don't work alone. That is a top secret I'm giving in this video. So why is it expensive? It's rare. You're seeing that. So those are some of those posts that we already have sort out. We put them up. So we're going to plant. We're continuing to prepare the land. It takes some investment, but you'll end up with big profits. So you can see the line where we've not planted and the line where we've planted. So with half an acre, like what we have this land is a 3/4, but with half an acre, you can plant and just be pulling in profits and beat the traditional crops like maize and beans. So long as you have the right market and you're able to plant it the right way. So therefore what I'm saying is dragon fruit will give you money. So we have a well. One of the secrets is we have a well. If you need to know the price of the well, comment. So I give you the price of the well, what we used. So there we are, we're doing water so that we can be able to water the dragon fruit. So we are fetching the water. So you can see the container coming up. So you water little water. Otherwise, because they're succulent, if you overwater them, then they will die. So not a lot of water, but just a little water, and have them in a place where the water can drain. So that you can see the farm, there it is. You need to know that dragon fruit is hardy, but you still need to watch out for challenges like some diseases. So you have to keep watching, looking at them closely as we are doing. So we have a nursery there for kaya poles. That is for the fence. So we are preparing them so that we can fence using the kaya poles. We also have our dragon fruit nursery. So we cut off the way I've shown you we're cutting off, then you plant them. You replant them on a separate part. Then once they grow, they start creeping, then you move them. So we are doing this, and I think buying a seed is 500 Kenya shillings. So you need to have your nursery. Prepare a nursery well so that you can be able to move your plants. You can see that is the farm. Oh. So we've raised the soil to avoid water stagnating, so that they are not basically chopped by water. A lot of water standing in one area. So we are taking leaf by leaf. Something you need to note is that you need to keep observing them so that they don't get any disease. So you're seeing, I'm noting something, the brown tips. So you need to watch out for challenges like diseases like mealybugs, fungal rot, or stem damage. So you observe them, you check them one by one, just to make sure they are healthy.
So the brown tips, the good news is that you can naturally treat that by pruning, improving airflow, and using organic sprays like neem oil for better yield. So dragon fruit farming in Kenya is profitable, drought tolerant, and long lasting. With the right setup, you could turn just a few cuttings into a thriving agribusiness. That is the point of the video. So would you try it? Comment below.
Don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I'll share the exact budget breakdown, how much it costs to set up an acre of dragon fruit and how much you can earn every year. Don't miss out on that. Bye.